Hello guys, good morning to all of you. This is Magiraj here, and now we are going to get discuss about the communication system. So first of all, let me discuss here what is the communication system. So communication be formed by the two methods, just like point to point, and broadcast system. So communication be happened by the two method, point to point and broadcast system. In the point to point system, only one transmitter and one receiver, one transmitter and one receiver. And example just like telephone, जैसे टेलीफोन में करते हैं, पॉइंट टू पॉइंट लाइन बिछा करके ले जाया जाता है और एक ही तरफ से कोई कॉल कर सकता है और एक ही तरफ से दूसरा कोई सुन सकता है. सो दिस इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ द कम्युनिकेशन बाय द पॉइंट टू पॉइंट सिस्टम. एंड ब्रॉडकास्ट सिस्टम, हियर वन ट्रांसमीटर and many of the receivers. Example रेडियो, टीवी, etc. देखिएगा यहाँ पर क्या है, किसी सिस्टम से जब कोई न्यूज रिले की जाती है, ब्रॉडकास्ट की जाती है, तो वो एक ही सोर्स से किया गया. लेकिन अब यहाँ पर इंडिया में सब लोग देख पा रहे हैं, मैनी यूजर्स, मैनी रिसीवर्स. सो दिस प्रोसेस इज नोन एज द कम्युनिकेशन इज ब्रॉडकास्ट सिस्टम. Television, radio and several types of the news channels related to this, which is related to the broadcast system. So we can say that the communication be happened by two method, point to point and the broadcast system. In the point to point system, one transmission and one receiver, just like the telephone. And in the broadcast system, one transmission but the many receivers be available, just like television, radio and etc. So this is the mode of the communication. This be happened by the two method. Okay, and let me discuss here about the channel or the block diagram of this communication system. Block diagram of communication system. So this is channel, and where also be some disturbance, that is known as noise. Okay, and here this is the information signal. Okay, which transmitted the message signal. Here available the transmitter, which gives the electrical signal or message signal. These are the electrical signals which comes in this channel, and it also produce the electrical signals which are received by the receiver, and it get converted the message signal which reach to the user. Okay, so this is the block diagram of the communication system. Here the information source or information signal, simply we can say that this is the information source which give the some message signals which absorbed by the transmitter, and it get transmitted the signal in the electrical form to the channel, and channel get transmitted the electrical signal to the receiver. Receiver received this electrical signal and sent to the users. Here also formed some noise or disturbance in the channel. So this is known as the block diagram of the communication system. Okay, and now let me discuss here the some basic properties in the communication system. First one is the transducer. Transducer is an electronic device which converts one form of energy into the another form energy. One form of energy converted into another form of energy. So this is a device by which one form of energy converts into the another form of energy is known as transducer. यानी ट्रांसड्यूसर के थ्रू एक ऐसी डिवाइस है जिसके थ्रू हम एनर्जी के एक फॉर्म को दूसरे फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. दिस इज नोन एज द ट्रांसड्यूसर. एंड सिग्नल्स. ओके, सो the message which converted into the electrical form, the message which converted to electrical form and sent to the transmitter called signals, and signals are in two types, just like analog and digital. You know that analog signal is just like in the sinusoidal form, just like this, and digital signal just like this, which lie between 0 to 5 volt. So these are two types of signal, analog signal and digital signal. Okay. Now let's discuss the noise. So noise, it is a disturbance which happens in the channel. It is a disturbance in the channel. यानी चैनल में होने वाली डिस्टरबेंस नॉइज होती है. ओके, सो इट इज द डिस्टरबेंस इन द चैनल. एंड नेक्स्ट वन, transmission. Transmitter and the receiver. The message signal is transmitted in the electrical signal form. The message signal is transmitted in the form of electrical signal, that is known as the transmitter, and the receiver which absorbed or which received the electrical signal, whatever we proceed by the transmitter, that is known as receiver. Okay, and attenuation. Attenuation. So it is the loss in the strength or intensity of the signal. So loss in the strength or intensity in the signals is known as attenuation. Okay, and amplification. You know that to increase the amplitude is known as amplification. So this is the process in which increases the amplitude or intensity. एम्पलीट्यूड राइज करेगा तो इंटेंसिटी, बिकॉज इंटेंसिटी डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द स्क्वायर ऑफ एम्पलीट्यूड. सो दिस इज द एम्पलीफिकेशन. टू द सिंपली वी कैन से दैट द प्रोसेस इन विच द एम्पलीट्यूड राइजेज और इंटेंसिटी भी इंक्रीजेज, दिस इज द नोन एज एम्पलीफिकेशन. ओके, मॉड्यूलेशन. द कन्वर्जन of low frequency into high frequency. High frequency यानी लो फ्रीक्वेंसी से हाई फ्रीक्वेंसी में कन्वर्ट करना मॉड्यूलेशन होता है. ओके, सो मॉड्यूलेशन इट इज द प्रोसेस इन विच लो फ्रीक्वेंसी कन्वर्टेड इनटू द हाई फ्रीक्वेंसी, एंड डीमॉड्यूलेशन द प्रोसेस द कन्वर्जन ऑफ हाई फ्रीक्वेंसी इनटू लो फ्रीक्वेंसी. ये मॉड्यूलेशन का जस्ट अपोजिट होता है, यानी इस प्रोसेस में हाई फ्रीक्वेंसी को लो फ्रीक्वेंसी में कन्वर्ट किया जाता है. दैट इज नोन एज द डीमॉड्यूलेशन. ओके, एंड रेंज. रेंज मीन्स द मैक्सिमम डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द सोर्स एंड डेस्टिनेशन. दिस इज द नोन एज रेंज. इट मीन्स द मैक्सिमम length between source and destination. यानी जहां से स्टार्ट किया और जहां पर जाना है मंजिल तक, वहां सोर्स से डेस्टिनेशन तक के बीच की मैक्सिमम लेंथ जो होती है दैट इज द रेंज. ओके, एंड नाउ बैंड विड्थ. ओके, bandwidth. So this is the frequency range. Okay, bandwidth means frequency range. This is the frequency range. ये frequency range है. Okay, so where the any communication we start. So the bandwidth is the frequency range in which any communication system get starts, called bandwidth. Okay, so here modulation will happen by three process: amplitude modulation, frequency modulation and the power modulation. आपने इस frequency modulation के लिए आपने सुना ही होगा, जो रेडियो FM सुनते हैं वो FM मीन्स फ्रीक्वेंसी मॉड्यूलेशन ही है. ओके, सो दिस इज द मोड ऑफ द मॉड्यूलेशन दैट बी हैपेंड बाय थ्री मेथड्स: एम्पलीट्यूड मॉड्यूलेशन, फ्रीक्वेंसी मॉड्यूलेशन एंड पावर मॉड्यूलेशन. सो दिस इज द मॉड्यूलेशन मोड. ओके, एंड बैंडविड्थ, दिस इज द फ्रीक्वेंसी रेंज इन विच एनी कम्युनिकेशन get starts, called bandwidth.